Yo, put your hand in the here right now. If you know you get money, the girl them know you no have none. Use a motherfucking domain. The girl them no want a broke man. You no have none, you a low man. Hey, we not run, we get the girl them.
It's crazy. If you wanna go, that was the last thing I said before my baby fled. Now I'm all alone in my bed. Sleepless nights, lonely days. It's been so long since my baby went away. Sleepless nights, lonely days. That's how it's been ever since she went away. I'm tossing and turning each night in my bed. I'm wondering when I will see my baby again. All I have is memories.
Yes, people, you don't know say dancehall music review. You don't know say the thing hard like titanium, Teflon, bully. You don't know the thing said.
Yeah, you don't know Fox and CV over there once again, yeah.
I bet you, hey Fox, the people them ask me now, where you there?
Where me there?
Where you there?
Me there, yeah.
Alright. Nothing no change, we stay the same people. I wonder if a warrior or daddy.
Or a piece or a what?
Yeah, mad people sitting. But you are going people, this coming Monday, you know, people, you don't know, it's a Superstar Mondays, you know. DMR, Hype Life, same thing at Club Avenue each and every Mondays. People come out, they say, it's a fun thing, open mic for the artists, them.
Yeah.
I say,
and on a free thing, the people. You don't have to chip out the money. Yeah.
That's it, free. You know what I say, drink special and all them things. The ladies come out looking lovely as always. Last week, we have some fun and, you know, open mic and be sitting. So, this week again, we want to make it even turn up more maximum, pass maximum and book.
Oh.
Don't know anything certificate and book any more than that. Don't know.
Well, we are booking you and rip off in and dash you. Then can't turn back now again.
Tell them about the people and you don't know, say no one not log out to www.hypelife.tv. Make sure now check out the charts, you know, the music charts and the video charts and make sure now vote for the artists.
Yeah.
Get them on the countdown, yo. Go on, vote them at #1.
And if I tune out the one who want to get on the countdown, email us at contact@hypelife.tv.
You see it, I'll be a sitting, you don't know where I go hard same way. You don't know, so big up everybody we are tuning into the program right now. Big up yourself. Yo, if you know, say I support the thing right now. When you watch this, say me I support the thing. Leave a comment, say me I support the thing. If you can log in a YouTube and say me I support the thing, show some support. And don't know the thing set already. You don't know say CV and facts. So I go on.
Boy, Dowdy. Kanye West, yo, the controversial Kanye West.
Kanye West.
I have a next controversy upon him hand my him album cover. You know, drop it to the daddy and I think banning at the US in a party.
Why dog? Me take a look a peek at the album cover here.
People look on the album cover. The man have a white angel sitting on a black. Is that a ape or a gorilla or what?
Gorilla or what?
So boy, I mean I know. Is that art? What is that?
It's art. You see me I say, but we're going to talk about the thing right now, because you are going. The thing I get banned because the man say racism. People are, you know, since we have a black president and thing, and people think say racism dead and them thing there. I like them at it because right now Kanye West is a black man. That's what I say, and because the depiction is of, you know, a black figure of a gorilla or whatever with a white angel, it a cause an uprising, a controversy. If it was a black and black, it would have been no problem for white and white. You know, because a black and white, you don't know.
A black guy, a white angel.
Yeah, I see him so with the LeBron James film ad when them depict him as some form of gorilla with a little white girl, like them make some of the King Kong thing. And they create uprising too.
Big controversy.
You see, people don't like white people don't like when them say black man in a position of power and you know, look at white girls and things, you see. So it's like, you know,
my helpless Mary Jane.
Yeah, but in reality, when I look on the thing alright, so you see, I say, even though it's a depiction of an angel, don't never say it was a good angel. It could have been the angel of sex, the angel of death, lust, the angel of, there are many angels. In
the angel they have tail, you know.
Yeah,
that is nothing good.
It look like the angel of lust to me, and the angel of lust send it to what's that? The 7th circle of hell, lust. You don't know the thing said. So people have to understand themselves. So I say right now, I say I fuck with Kanye West a go on with. So I say fuck with.
Make a different album cover.
I say he might ask the controversy.
He want it, man.
You know, but at the same time, I have to say, yo, people them need to build because they don't know say art. It look like a piece of artwork to me. And me look at them and say artwork, me can't bash the man for artwork. You see me, I say if you know me know fuck him and keep up, but
I mean if you look at all of Kanye West album cover, it depicts some form of art pan. The last album he have like some the 808, the one before that he have some bunny and something pan it.
Yeah.
The first one he have some some college thing pan it. So I mean
like the man say
he never put him face pan the album yet.
So man,
So it's a typical Kanye West thing, isn't it?
So basically people have understand say art is art, and it's just now we are talking about it, they don't know say dancehall music review, but we are talking about it for showing the more limitations that the bigger heads them try to put on the music thing overall, not just in dancehall alone, hip hop all over. When you're black, you have a disadvantage because the pop world, the demonic type music.
Well, I say
limitation.
Kanye West knew what do. Him knew say that stir up controversy.
Yeah,
people know him album a drop and they download it off of iTunes and him album a sell. Point blank, simple as that.
What about those demonic bands, them devil bands?
I mean, there's a lot of bands out there, Slipknot and, all them bands out there, my youth.
Deaths and all sorts of evilous, demonic
the music with them,
worshiping
the devil.
Cover them with bloody covers and various things.
And vampire and all them things there, I mean.
And them not ban them things there, so I say, but I just said real set.
Black man's always at a disadvantage.
Yeah,
but anyway,
moving on.
Why earlier that week? All of the site them a buzz and say yo Byonce pregnant.
Byonce pregnant.
So recently, her mother come out, Byonce mother Tina Knowles come out and say yo Byonce is not pregnant.
I mean they could be lying. She could be lying saying Byonce is not pregnant and she is actually pregnant. You don't know the people are secretive like all when Tom Cruise baby now born and keep it in the house for all months upon months.
Before them reveal that.
They never
but I don't believe that one man. Byonce is not pregnant. Because Jay-Z is 40 years old.
Hold on man. I have a question for you. Because I want you to tell me something. What does Bling Dog and Jay-Z have in common? What's the name of some of the things?
Boy, them are recording artists.
Yeah, they are both male recording artists.
Them past 40, them past the midlife crisis. And them not get no kids.
Them not no grandkids. Them not have no kids. So, basically...
Rumor have it. Them can't breed, none girl is from birth. I know have a youth on the earth.
I walk one. So them... So hold on. And boy, either them not fuck or them a fuck. And me feel say them boy a sperm suicidal. When the boy a sperm say pum pum, them boy a sperm a run. Them boy a sperm take off down the road. I kill themselves. Pum pum. I kill myself.
Not me.
Look who's talking. I'm not going next to a egg. People, remember I know people. Remember biology. Each time a male ejaculates, are millions of sperm cells. So you only take one to impregnate an egg. And then when you have
over them lifetime, a trillion of people, not billion, a trillion of sperm, them money are killing
a trillion of sperm, and nothing nah connect, nothing nah shut in. People, remember telling you this, if me fuck Byonce, she guarantee if you breed.
Where say you?
Yeah, but you know, even telling them I use a condom. When she not have it, trust me, my soldier them dog, me have Navy SEAL, me have Ranger, me have sharpshooter, sniper.
You sperm a camp out in there and wait till she start ovulate.
Wait till all the period all pass, the period come. Anything by you, the soldier them just wait for the right moment. Them covert operation, you have to breed. You have to breed.
I wonder how many would Byonce have to breed her now. Our ovulation night, that the whole couple lady when she ovulate.
Me not need to fuck her. Me just need to put my dick going there pum me breed. As long as it go in there, I say yo, pick me up a band. And if anything you don't know, say you will take up a child support. I tell her about it.
You I saw a blood clot, more custody.
Oh, she don't on the road to have this.
The child need to be home with him daddy.
Daddy will take care of the kid. They don't just a child support big.
You sit back and relax.
Yo, my man, my girl should say. You don't know the things that I will. But yeah, man, two big old man them need to breathe.
Yeah, man, them big man them, yo.
And stop put out rumors of them breathe sitting when them not breathe no daddy.
And if you can't breathe nothing, adapt something. Adapt for you. Or take a jacket. Jesus Christ. Yo, Jay-Z, pay me for breathe Byonce for you.
Dog, I mean man to pay man.
No man, me dark, no, you light them, baby, I come out light. I mean to pay.
But the light skin baby.
I don't see a jacket, you.
And that's why the boy Jay-Z never want Sean Paul next to Byonce. The guy knows that Sean Paul never breathe into the youth. You know, you can't stand staring with it take too long. With it take too long, we say, I gotta look good, we say, yo, They want to forget breathing.
Byonce, if you're fed up with that boyfriend, let him go.
You don't know the things that already. You say, I say, well, moving on. All this, some other girl with him breed. Oh, a busy signal, baby mother.
Hold on, who that show up with? Bumbleclad, the Vibe Kartel.
Advice, I teach her that.
Yo, dad, look on her neck. A big old hickey that Kartel put on her neck.
Yo, daddy. But hold on. So wait. So busy signal, baby mother date the teacher now. She not the ramping shop.
Oh.
She do that thing there.
Oh.
We making talk in Japanese.
Do the thing there, please.
You know, she a job for the week cream and the crush. She know if you do, if you make him feel nice. Him give her feel money, she give him paradise. To what them happy till the fuck and next night. Business signal, girlfriend, the man said, "Who don't know, come up back, me baby." What you talking me? Me a beg everything for me.
I wonder if I can't tell I pick up the phone and busy call for talking youth.
Oh man, you are going man, my youth. Woman that we sign a business signal, woman that left business signal, she woman not cheap on business signal.
Sure.
So business signal left off a Gary. Alright, no, she never have a choice but we go to the teacher.
What's them wicked boy, yeah?
The last week teacher sing a song we say, yo, basically, you know, if a boyfriend and do if you do link you up, you know, you pin you on.
Yo, them boy, they make no big good man turn queer in the youth.
That's it, boy, business signal, you let we down, God. You let we down, you let down the straight team, you let down the straight team.
Yeah, you can't bat for your next squad.
Dog, you can't bat for the other team, you can't play for the other team, dog. You can't power with Gary and make man
I take away
I tell a girl, say, yo, you know, pum fat and tight and everything, you know, and all them things. I tell her, I said, go like the ice in her friend.
What they say, the pum cobweb up.
Yeah, man, say, drape it up, you know.
No, but for the same note.
Yeah.
Brandy come out and Brandy say, yo, she haven't had sex in 6 years. Is that bumbleclad possible?
Yeah, I want to daddy. Brandy pussy cobweb up. That cobweb up.
As a human being, yo.
Me feel say Brandy a eunuch. I don't feel say Brandy have no pum pum.
She's a eunuch.
She not no pum pum.
She cut it out.
She never born with none. She not no old, me no know she have it.
No man, she have a juvenile man.
Alright, she have it. Oh, you might people lie no that.
She have a juvenile.
People say anything in that, but 6
Boy, Brandy, if you never fuck with bumbleclad 6 years, come link me.
6
Come
years.
link me. And she date a floor rider. I think give up the pussy to floor rider. You look like a clown now.
Me a floor rider, you beat daddy. You beat and now fuck nothing. Floor rider, I don't know you know that, but big up yourself.
Big man thing, you're big and brolic, daddy.
Yeah, that's what
I want to go on. The girl,
I got gym like Bling Dog, my youth. I was a guy gym instead of got Kim. Got Kim and Brandy, you don't go to the gym. Every time we wait a pump iron, you can a pump girl. I want to know.
When they should be taking off the girl G string, you're pumping iron.
In the gym, you see, man, I say. But people, right now in the news, one crazy thing I go on, the thing sticky away, people. Them those blood clot rates some about 11 man them hold on pan with 10 ton.
No, over 100 ton. That is over 100,000 pound of marijuana. In Mexico, value that over 300 and something thousand US now, people.
So I want to million US that
million, yes.
You listen, people.
In Jamaican money, that is trillions of dollars of people.
These guys had so much fucking weed. That's what I say. It was only 11 of them. We man them get caught with over $200 million worth of
weed
in pound. In a pound. It's over $300 million worth of weed in US.
And over how much trillion in Jamaican dollar.
Lock them blood clot up, them too fucking greedy.
No,
and them gonna give me a pound.
No,
that make some money.
No, lock up the man them now. Free up the man them. If I the crack and cocaine, I say, yeah, I meth and them thing there. But lower the man them and weed. Man, if I free.
Weed scarce. Weed been scarce a while now, my youth. At them money, I clog up the thing and I hold on the weed and them pussy.
I supply and demand.
I
supply and demand.
Them hold on the weed. Them hold on the weed.
Cause the shortage and rise up the price.
Yeah, them boy, all them blood clot. How many weed free up again? They say me I say cause John with them head.
Why them hold on pan so pound them buy weed scarce tonight?
I look at me, I'm going to get a job in the Federal Bureau, dog. God know, dog. Right there, so. Me that tell them say only 9 something.
Well, all I want to dog is a 60 pound, you know.
60 pound, 100 pound, have a great to see they don't know things that are about cheap. I say go sometime, my youth, them money, them sit up on too much weight, you say, I say, when they sit up on too much weight.
But I don't think that them man are the big fish, you know. Some like a squad they get bite, you know, and them now rat out the bigger cartel and them man they are the small grown level lieutenant peasant type of man.
No facts.
Them man are the big. Them man are the big dog.
No dog. Them man they have to have some ties to the big man.
Yeah, them have them have ties to the them have ties to the big man. Them man they have foot soldier. Big man not touch no weed, yo. Big man not touch weed.
Facts. Big man think facts.
Yo.
May I ask you a question?
Big man not touch it.
I will give some squaddy some groundwork, man. $300 million worth of something. You are gonna trust them clown with the everything?
I mean, a man higher up, you know. Them man they are the boss.
You never know.
Them man they are foot soldier.